everyone! It's Sunday morning and we just left Mass, so our tradition for the past several months has been to go to Dunkin' Donuts after and get a nice coffee. So my husband and I are on the way there now with the kids, and I thought it would be fun. I've seen well, we'll see. We might get you guys treats too. But I've been wanting to do some sort of review video on my channel for a while. I don't really want my channel to turn into just a bunch of food reviews, but I just thought it would be something fun to kind of mix things up a little bit. And when we were on our trip in Tennessee a couple weeks ago, I saw this sign at the Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru, and I knew exactly what I wanted to test out. So today we're on our way to try 3, I'm pretty sure, different drinks. They have a cookies and cream, a Kitkat, and a Heath bar, all of which are candy bars that I love. I actually grew up very close to Hershey, Pennsylvania, if you didn't know. And so Hershey's chocolate is very nostalgic for me. I absolutely love their milk chocolate and all of their different candies that they create. This is not sponsored by Hershey's, but if anybody out there from Hershey's is listening, I'm your girl if you want to work with me. Also, Dunkin' Donuts, hey, we'll throw that in there too. But I'm so excited to try these drinks because I love the taste of coffee, but what I really like is a very sweet, basically dessert-like coffee drink. I don't like regular bitter coffee. And also, I have to get decaf. I can't drink caffeinated coffee. It makes my heart race, it makes me have extreme anxiety, but decaf from certain places I can handle. Even decaf at like Starbucks kind of gets me a little bit crazy, but at Dunkin' Donuts, it's pretty good. I can handle it. It just gives me a little bit of pep in my step, but it doesn't make me go crazy. So we're gonna order 3 different iced coffees today, decaf, to try out, and I'll let you know what I think of their new Hershey's flavors. Cookies and cream flavor in it, please.
Okay, small iced decaf coffee with cookies and cream. Did you want to do cream or sugar in your coffee?
I'll take cream in that.
Okay.
And then can I get a small iced decaf coffee with the Heath flavor? And then do you have the Kitkat flavor too?
The Kitkat flavor is just in a Coolata.
Oh, it's just in a Coolata. Should we try it? We can try it with the kids? Okay, I'll just get a small Kitkat Coolatta, please.
Okay.
Now does that have like coffee in it?
It does not.
Okay, well, we'll try it.
Alright, did you want whipped cream on the Kitkat?
Yes.
This is the Heath.
Thank you.
The cookies and cream. Kitkat.
We're using all our cup holders.
That's your card.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, you have a great day.
Okay, we made it back to my kitchen. I was able to resist sipping any of these beverages before we arrived, and now I'm gonna try out each one. So the first one is the Heath Swirl. I love toffee so much. I am definitely like a chocolate caramel toffee kind of girl. Those are my favorite kind of dessert, so I'm really excited about this one. I'm gonna taste. Woo! Well, it's really sweet, which is totally up my alley. I don't know if my husband's gonna like this one. It's super sweet. I'm trying to like detect the toffee flavor. It kind of has like a slight nuttiness in the background. It's really good. It's just really sugary, but that's totally my kind of drink. So this one gets a check plus from me so far. Okay, next we're gonna try the cookies and cream. Let me just double check. Yeah, cookies and cream swirl. And our Dunkin' Donuts, I'm sure most of them, they kind of like put the flavoring in on the bottom and then fill it up with the coffee, so I always like to stir it up a little bit because that initial sip can be super sweet if you don't. Okay, cookies and cream, let's see. That's good. That has a little bit of like an Oreo taste to it. That's really good. Not as sweet as the Heath, so I think I like the Heath a little bit better. But this one's really good too. Okay, next we're gonna try the Kitkat Coolatta. The poster that we saw for these drinks at the drive-thru in Tennessee, I could have sworn all 3 of the flavors were, you could get in iced coffee form, but I guess this Kitkat you saw earlier, it's just available in the Coolata form. So I'm gonna share this with the kids because it's kind of like a milkshake. There's actually no coffee in it. It's like an icy, it's kind of like a Frappuccino from Starbucks. It's an icy smoothie milkshake, kind of a concoction. But we got the whipped cream on top. We got the Kit Kats floating around inside. So I'm gonna give this one a taste. Oh, that's really good. That just tastes like a straight up milkshake because you don't have that coffee flavor. It's just like a vanilla milkshake with Kit Kat pieces in it. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. My kids are off to the side, waiting with bated breath to sample their Kitkat Coolatta. So, you guys ready for a sip?
Yeah.
Wanna have a taste here?
Yeah.
Emma,
yeah.
ladies first.
What about me?
Come here, babe. You wanna try it?
I want to try it too. I want to try it too.
Is that good?
I want to try it.
Really good. What do you think?
Good.
Good? Cold?
Yes.
All right, so my final verdict. Let me take one more sip of the Heath.
I want to try that one too, Molly.
Oh yeah, there's definitely that slight kind of like nutty toffee-ish flavor in the Heath.
Wait, I want to try that one too.
Cookies and cream one more time. This is for you. This is research. They're both really good. I think I like the Heath the best just because it has the most distinguishable flavor. The cookies and cream is kind of more just like a sweetened iced coffee, but it's good. And then the Kit Kat, it's kind of a different animal. It's basically just like a milkshake, but of course it's delicious because I have all sweet teeth, not just one sweet tooth, and it's right up my alley. So I would totally recommend all of these. Like I said, I'm definitely more of like a chocolatey caramel kind of a flavor person. I know so many people love that blueberry crisp iced coffee. Well, you don't have to get it iced, but like the blueberry crisp flavor that's been out during the summertime. And I did not like it, which I know is like blasphemous to all the Dunkin lovers out there, but it may have just been the way that my location prepared it. It was not sweet at all, and I just didn't like the fruitiness. I thought it had kind of a weird fake flavor to it, but I'm really loving all of these Hershey's flavors. So if that helps you decide what you want to get the next time you go to the Dunkin drive-thru, you're welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. This was kind of fun for me to do something different, share a little review with you, and I'll see you again soon in my kitchen. Bye-bye.